Everyone, I'm Father James Mallon from Dartmouth, Nova Scotia, founder of Divine Renovation Ministry and author of the book Divine Renovation, which has just been published in Chinese. I'm absolutely excited to hear about that. As I talk to you now, it's 10 years ago that that book was written. 10 years ago, right now, the first draft had been completed and we were working on the editing. So it seems like a long time ago, but many of the themes are still incredibly relevant for us. For everything we do and how we do it as a church, there's an underlying theology to it. And so if we're going to propose a new way of doing things to allow the church to fulfill its mission in this new post-Christendom era, post-Christian era, then we need to look at the theology that underlies that. So that basically was the result. That's where the book came from. And so since then, we established a ministry called Divine Renovation Ministry. And now we're working in 94 countries throughout the world. And looks like we're now being able to have our book written in Chinese. And so who knows what will happen. If this speaks to your heart, we'd love to hear from you. Please visit divinerenovation.org to find out more about this larger movement of churches that are answering the call from God to move their parishes from maintenance to mission.